Harvest moon's lullaby whispers in the twilight. A family waltz echoed in the charm of yesternight. Painting memories with words, thankfulness we unfold. We're but stardust mirrored in the warmth we hold. Under boughs of bounty beneath the winds of change, harvest hymns resonate on the timeless arras of age. Laughter, love, and life woven into a prayer. A cloak of belonging in the chilly November air. Candles flicker gently, casting ambient shadows play. A canvas of peace as vibrant tales hold sway. In the glow of grace, our hands entwined, echoes of joy. Under the embrace of the autumnal mind, our mosaic of moments painted with care. A tapestry tied by the knots of shipwreck. Even in whispers of winter, we find a way to conjure warmth from the heart of a thankful day. Roots run deep while lives diverge and blend, yet always leading us back to where love won't end. In the heart of the heart, where we're waiting to be found, gratitude is melody, an ambient echoing sound. As the embers glow, seasoned in bonds we savor, we speak in silence, love's universal behavior. In the amber melody of the setting November sun, we find ourselves home where the heart begun, being present in the moment under the ethereal moon. Savoring shared stories, a harmonious communal croon. Grateful hearts beating to the ambient rhyme, thankful for love and life this Thanksgiving time.